What's up, Mr. fucking Desert Dime?
Today is the day that I turn my truck into Lieutenant Dan.
You ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dan.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am ripping the legs off of this truck. So if you've been following the past 4 or 5 videos, we've been doing a rehab on this truck essentially. We started with adding extended brake lines in the rear end, right back there. I don't know if you can see them against the spare tire. And then in that same day, we flushed all 4 corners and got all the brake fluid out and put all new .4 brake fluid in. Then the next day, we added some R1 Concepts drilled and slotted rotors and their off-road performance brake pads, all because my truck was having troubles braking, so we did a complete brake overhaul. Then once all that brake rehab was done, I took my truck to KDM in Anaheim and had them install my brand new rear end kit. It's essentially a shock relocation kit that goes as high as possible in the wheel well and fits a larger shock. So I have that installed now. And in the good nature of rehab, we have a few more things to do. So today we are finishing up that rehab and we are ripping off the coilovers from the front and the leaf springs from the back so I can take them all in tomorrow and have them re-prepped and rebuilt and just taken care of essentially. Now, hey, if you guys are into Tacomas, I would recommend going back and watching all those videos that I already have done, and I would recommend subscribing because we still have 4 or 5 more videos coming after this. Essentially the fun part of the videos, because we're going to be going to the desert and testing out this new setup and testing out the new rebuilds and everything. So if you are not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, especially if you love Tacoma and off-road content, guys. We're shooting for 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I know we can surpass that and probably hit 1,100, 1,200. So go ahead and subscribe. Now, what's going to be different in this video than the previous ones is I actually have help today with the wrenching, guys. You know the guy in all my intros that says, you know, what's up, Mr. Desert Dime?
Like my way of breaking bolts loose?
I guess. I can do something. I love those little caps, huh?
That's why I take them off.
Although it's not drooped out, here's a nice little shot of the new setup without the wheel and tire in the way. Looking pretty minty.
The good thing is my supervisor isn't at work today, so if I'm late, I'll just have one of my coworkers clock me in so I'm not late.
Oh, the stand's moving.
I was about to say, why is the whole truck shifting to the right?
I don't know, I wonder if this is pulling it. Oh, there we go. Go forward.
Is that all the droop you have?
I think he said I got like 10 inches of shaft.
It's kind of hot.
You know, it wouldn't be one of my videos if we didn't have to go to the store for a single piece of equipment.
A single socket, because none of us have the right equipment, considering I'm a fucking mechanic that works on race trucks.
A single socket that we need for the U-bolt. We got it now, and hopefully we can get cracking on this project, because it's going to be a hot one today, boy.
So basically that's what we did, because Jacob doesn't know how to record, even though he's a fucking YouTuber. And
there you go.
Ta-da, U-bolts are off.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's gonna take it off the jack stands.
Yeah, I prefer you don't do that.
Well, I need to move the jack. Because I'm trying to get the hanger, or the shackle out of the hanger, so I can get that bolt out.
Yeah,
actually,
I don't
you know
think
what?
you keep going up. I think you just push it backwards, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get at.
No, you're pushing it straight up. And you're bro, you're fucking gouging the metal. That's
God,
that's mint.
It's a fucking race truck. It's meant to be beat, you fuck.
It's premium, dude. Just push it straight back right here, no? Like that. Come on.
I work on trains, not trucks.
Here, almost there. Just get it up and out. See, this is why I'm here. This is exactly why I'm here.
Shut up, Jacob.
Alrighty, so we got both U-bolts off. Had to run to the store for the 7/8 socket, deep socket. to get them off. Now we just have to, you already worked on one hanger.
Yeah.
Got one hanger out, and now just gotta get the front side figured out, and that's it, right? That's the last thing holding it in.
Wow, that was surprisingly loose.
Why is everything on this truck surprisingly loose?
I don't know, maybe I'm stronger than I look.
Either that or I have stuff to be worried about.
Probably.
We're gonna mark every single bolt after we reinstall everything, because I'm concerned. As long as my truck's not breaking down, I don't care what I look like. It's raining dirt.
I feel like I'm a new man. Oh my god, are we gonna get a rare occurrence of Jacob working?
It's covered in the grease.
Yeah, this isn't. I see what you're going for here. I see your idea. I see your thought process.
But this nice Black Widow muffler is in the way. Sponsored by Black Widow. Wouldn't that be rad?
And Black Widow is a pretty good muffler company. Oh my god, would you look at that?
I was so scared that I was just gonna send right into my chest.
So, all the hardware for the leaf springs are out. Now, you guys get to watch us struggle to get the leaf spring out.
I'm gonna say.
Maybe if you move that 16-inch method race wheel, you're pushing a whole differential. This is fucking scary. Alright, it's out.
I think if it comes my way, we should be fine. Just go straight.
I got dirt in my eyes, I can't fucking see.
You're good, you can come out. I'll just rub this through. The brake lines. I'm already upset. Already upset with my brakes.
Would you look at that? We got a leaf spring.
It's like a fish. Take a picture.
Take a picture. Probably neither of us are in frame. They just see a giant pack of metal.
Just a nice big metal rod. You want to hold it? You hold it standing up like an actual fish.
Oh, like me with my bike houses? It's a fish. These things are fucking tall. What are they, like 61 inch?
I have no idea. This will be a thumbnail.
On your thumbnail, your intro, I'm on everything, bro.
Jared's not going to be happy about this one. Yeah, see, it would have been nice if I had the money to buy the shackles and hangers to do that now while it's already...
Right? You save on labor.
But, you know. We got no money over here because we're not monetized yet.
At YouTube.
1,000 subscribers. Okay, we got both leaves off now. And this thing is kind of just floating. We're floating now. It's on the jack stands. I had to get a bottle jack under because the yeah, everything rotated and it was just putting a lot of stress on those joints and knuckles, whatever you want to call them.
U-joints.
U-joints. A lot of stress on the U-joints. So got a bottle jack to hold it straight up now. Hopefully that doesn't give out because that would be depressing. So now we have to drop the back end onto some jack stands, move the jack around to the front and get the coilovers off. All right, we got the front up, and I noticed something when lifting it up. You know that problem that I've been running into with the upper control arm resting on the coil? It just occurred to me that we're gonna need to get the bottle jack under the lower to pull that tension up, because I'm not gonna be able to pull my coils out with this resting on them. Because I think as soon as we move it down, it's gonna go between the coils, and then we're just gonna be gridlocked, so.
Put bottle jack right on the rotor and lift it up until it's like not drooped out, and you should be fine.
Right on the rotor? The brand new rotors?
Right on
the brand new drilled and slotted?
Rotors.
Oh, dude, mint. Okay, well, we tried getting the bottle jack under the control arm to lift it up, but it's lifting the entire truck up, so our boy over here had the idea to just get the bottom of the coilover out, remove it, so there's not so much tension between the two. We'll see if this works.
And if you're wondering why the shirts came off, it's because it's hotter than Satan's ass crack out here.
Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Demonetized nipples.
The video got demonetized by the time I got here.
The video wasn't monetized from the beginning, but it got demonetized.
Basically.
Well, you know what? We can't quite move this out because the top hat's not done yet, so...
Time for the top hat.
I guess we're doing top hat too while we're at it. There's a screw just coming straight down into this wheel well, and my knuckle's gonna go right into it.
Ooh, that's like my favorite. Let me do it.
Okay, you know what? We're just not gonna talk about this.
Just don't talk about the Tundra.
Just don't talk about anything.
It has feelings, okay?
We're just not talking anymore.
I just don't care about the feelings.
Welcome back to the No Talk podcast, where we just don't talk.
For an hour and a half straight.
Oh, we gotta take off the reservoirs too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, just take this.
Oh, I guess I can't use that.
Just two shirtless dudes working on a truck. What's that hot tub thing? It says like two dudes in a hot tub, but it's not gay because they're friends or something like that.
Two dudes in a hot tub, but it's not gay because they're 5 feet apart.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart because they're not gay.
Oh yeah. Okay, well we weren't 5 feet apart, so. Wow, these screws were loose too. Everything's loose on this truck. What is going on? These
5 years of abuse and
these
not
caps
getting
always come
recourse.
loose. These caps always come loose, so you know, it's fine. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, you're playing work. All right, so we ended up taking the sway bar link out, which gave us enough room to move this down, move the sway bar down, pivot the rod end out, and gave us enough room in the top hat to actually use the first method we were trying to implement, which is bottle jack this whole lower control arm setup up, so we can now take the nut out of the ball joint in the upper control arm and release this whole cage from the coil. So now all we have to do is pull this and we should get everything out. I think we got it. I think we got her done. Oh, actually, it's dropped. Am I doing this right?
Yeah.
There's like nothing else holding it on, right? Oh, fuck! We got it out.
Well, the coilover is out. Not without dropping the fucking thing and blowing out the upper control arm, but it's out.
Okay. Here, come grab this. Grab the rod end. Well, I hope that was a fun little show for you guys, because I will not be doing that again.
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.
Wait, were you recording that?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I hate it.
We have it out now, and we have everything sort of loosely reassembled, and we'll just leave it like this till they need to go back in. So yeah, you can see where the upper control arm's hitting the coilover now, and it's not rusting like I thought it was, but it did chew away at the blue coating, and it's just a little bit of metal on metal. Not as bad as I thought it was, which is good news, I suppose. But this, I told you they were blown. Yeah, so this was the main concern and why I want these rebuilt. It's because of how blown these are. This is supposed to be like stiff, like you can barely like...
Yeah.
Like it goes like...
You need a screwdriver to move them all.
Yeah, and this is literally pinky. Just... You could probably blow on it and it would just shoot around, but yeah, that's clap. So I think that's honestly the end of what's going on in this video. We're just gonna pull off the other side now. I'll probably do a separate video doing these wheel spacers, because there's a lot of just small little nitbit things I need to do on this, like fix some threading, add those on, maybe do some cleaning. So we'll just do a whole separate video of just maintenance. But
Wheel spacers are not maintenance, Jacob.
well, everything else is fucking maintenance, and then adding the wheel spacers. You want me to call it an upgrade? Fine. Wheel spacers are an upgrade now, everybody.
There we go.
It's a sick mod. Sick mod. Long travel now. I got wheel spacers. You know, I'm done with this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for coming out, but
I'll send it too.